Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome again to another video here from Tech World Travels and Review. I've got a install here for you today, and today we are setting up a product in my guest bedroom. It is called ANGELHALO. It's a smart lamp. I love the design of this lamp, but let me show you what's happening today. So we have our old, let's say, dumb lamp. This is a bedroom light that is in the spare bedroom right here, and we are upgrading this light here. It's just LED, not super bright, and this is upstairs, so it's very dark upstairs and sometimes very hot. We are installing this lamp here from ANGELHALO, and this is a 20-inch 2600 lumen light, and look at that design. It's such a very elegant design. Basically, there's a blade in the middle that spins, help push down air down, and then there's the ring LED lights around it, which is pretty cool. It's not super big, it's very small, which I like. It's not gonna be a big display in the room. And then you have 2700, 4000, and 6500 Kelvins. And let's see what's inside the box here. Obviously, we're gonna do a full install, but you get everything in the box. This is the ANGELHALO, and I love the logo there with the power button there. Smart light, and here's our install instructions. Let's check out here. So this is one piece here. Not sure what that is right now. These are the blades in the pack. This is the one of the model. And then these are all the screws. Everything you need is included. And then I'm guessing I have to set all these up here. These are the blades and the light that goes around the blades. Let me go ahead and assemble this here, and then we'll take that down, measure everything out, and then do our first install. So hopefully this, fingers crossed, this goes well. Like I said, always turn off your breaker. Once that's turned off, I would always recommend getting one of these here. This is basically a measurement that tells you if the wire is live or not. I use this all the time if I have to do any electrical work. And then the other thing I use is this here. This is a wire cutter. It allows you to cut the wire different lengths, and basically allows you to strip the wires. You can get those endings. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up, and we'll see you once this is ready to be installed. Alright, so I connected the arms. Basically that's how it goes in. You take these arms here and you kind of fasten it over there with the bolt. Fasten it there, put on the motor plates, and now I'm going to put on the blades, or the outer ring of the blades, and this is going to go install in a second, and we'll have everything fully assembled just now. 2 hours later, so there you have it, the light smart fan from ANGELHALO. I'll link here in Amazon where you can find it, fully installed. I just love these rings around it. It looks super sophisticated, elegant. And the fan is powered, it's running smooth. I could lower the speed, I could go 2, 4, 6, 8, or full speed 6. You have multiple options here on the remote. You can also control all this in the app, which I'll show you in a second. And then the lighting here, you have the warm light, you have the semi-warm light, and then you have the blue tone, which is the 2600 Kelvin. Installation was a bit of a challenge. Every house is gonna be different. So here I just had to change my junction box because it wasn't holding the weight of the fan. As long as you have done this before, I've done this multiple times, so it wasn't too difficult. But it's worth it. Look at that. That just looks really nice. It gives the room a very elevated look. And this is what smart home really looks like. A beautiful fan with a beautiful light that you can control off a remote, or even better, you can control off Alexa and Google, and you can create some great automations with this here, and it just makes the room super cool rather than the hot heat that you normally get. So yeah, I am a big fan, not pun intended, and I am going to go ahead and call it a day here. But there you go, beautiful fan, and installation here was just really easy, other than changing the junction box. But this is an older house, so that's expected. But there you go, check it out.